Hello, in front of me I have Realme 6S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the camera timer on this device. Let's start by opening the camera app by tapping this icon right here. Now let's tap on this icon in the top right corner to open the menu, and here we have a timer option. We can tap on it to turn it on and select one of the settings. First one is 3 seconds timer, second one is 10 seconds timer, and if you tap once more, it's gonna be turned off. Okay, so let's set it to 10 seconds, for example, and then tap on the shutter button to take a picture. And as you can see, the countdown started, and after it's complete, the picture will be taken. You can also tap right here to stop the countdown. And as you can see, the picture was taken. And that's how you turn on the camera timer on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.